cash out Solana from Phantom wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to cash out your Solana from your Phantom wallet. So first of all you have to do is you need to select the wallet in which you want to withdraw or cash out the Solana using your Phantom wallet. So it could be your Binance account, your Tonekeeper wallet, your Qcoin account, or your any other account that you would want to. So I'm going to show you in my Tonekeeper wallet. So just simply open your Tonekeeper wallet in your mobile device, and after that just simply click on the receive section from the home screen itself. Just simply tap on it, and over here you will be able to see the Tonekeeper receiving address in your Tonekeeper mobile wallet. Just simply copy this particular address from here, and after that just simply come back to your Phantom wallet again, and over here you need to click on the send icon from the home screen itself. But you need to make sure that you have some balance in your Phantom account in order to transfer the Solana or any other crypto that you would want to. And after that just simply click on the send icon right here, and after that just select the kind of the token or the crypto that you would want to send to the other wallet. For example, you want to send the Solana, so just simply click on it, and if you don't find the product into the list, just simply click on the search icon right there, and after that just select the token. And over here under the name or address section, just paste the address that you have just copied from your Tonekeeper wallet. I'm just gonna copy it here. As you can see that I don't have any sufficient balance in my Phantom wallet as of now. That is why it is showing that it is invalid address. And after that, once you put the correct address right there, and if you have balance in your Phantom wallet, you will be able to click the next option, and on the next page you simply have to just simply have to select the amount of the Solana that you would want to transfer to the other wallet, and just simply click on continue, and that's how you will be able to do it. So this is basically how you will be able to cash out Solana from your Phantom wallet. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.